Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a calendar if you are using the Microsoft Outlook. So let's assume you want to share your calendar with your colleague in the office. So how do you actually share that calendar? Because I work in an enterprise environment, and I see that sometimes users they try to share calendar in a different way, try to send their calendar through the email, and just the other colleagues still keeps getting an error message that she or he could not open the calendar. So let me show you how to share calendar the right way. First of all, to actually share your calendar, you will need to go to here, just click on calendar. When you click on calendar, you can see here I have created some meetings just for a test actually on the calendar of Thomas Johnson. So right now, Thomas Johnson wants to share his calendar with Tina Johnson. So what Thomas needs to do is this. Thomas needs to actually just go to his go to calendar, right click on his calendar and go to properties. Under properties, you have the option permission, and here you can see we say my organization. So everyone in my organization, everyone who works for my organization, can actually view and see when I'm busy. But if I want to give Tina the option to actually see that I have this COVID-19 meeting, okay, let me just show you an example. For example, okay, let me just show you something. If I go to MDM to Tina's email and I go to calendar, let me try to add Thomas calendar here. So let me just right click here, or let me just right click on the calendar and do add from address book. So I'm going to add a calendar of Thomas Johnson. Let me just right click that, click OK, and you see it's trying to update. And you can see what Tina is going to say is going to say if I'm busy or not. But Tina is not going to see what is like I have a COVID-19 meeting, I have a sales meeting, I have an IT meeting. She's not going to see that. For Tina to be able to see that, so you see right now she's only seeing that I'm busy. So what I need to do right now, let me just go again to her calendar. Yeah, permission. Oh, now just hold on. Let me just right click this calendar and click delete calendar. So the calendar of Thomas has been deleted. So let me go back again to the email of Thomas. And here, when I go to Thomas calendar, right click properties, click permission. And let me just try to add Tina to this permission. And here I'm going to give Tina the option Tina can edit or view all details. Here, if I say Tina can view all details of my calendar, which means Tina can see more information. So let me just click apply and click OK. So let me go back to the computer of Tina. And here, let me try again to add Thomas calendar. Okay. Yeah, you see, you have received an email that Tina John and Thomas want to share his calendar with Tina. So here you can see right now Tina is seeing actually more information of Thomas, the sales meeting and everything instead of just seeing the busy or not busy. But if I want to actually just remove that Tina should not have any option, should not, maybe I don't like Tina anymore, I don't want to play with Tina anymore. I just want to remove that option that Tina should not see my meeting because we are not actually good friends anymore. So what I just need to do is I just need to go to my calendar, under properties, permission. I can as well say that my organization don't need to see anything and I can remove that of Tina, removed, apply. Apply. So if I go back to Tina, here Tina still has Thomas um, calendar. So when I close Outlook, and let me try to open Outlook again, and I go to Tina's calendar, and Tina tried to actually, did you see what happened? You see, could not be updated. So Tina is trying to actually just say, okay, maybe okay, let me click on that again. You see, Tina is not seeing any information of Thomas Johnson. Tina cannot even see if Thomas is busy or not because I've removed the option that says, let me go back again to my properties here, that my organization should not see anything. So I can say, okay, they can view, they can edit, they can view all details, or they can view titles and location. So but right now I have not done that, so Tina is not seeing any information. So if you receive this error message, say could not updated, please check the users that grant you this, that grant permission to this person, or the user that grants you this permission. Ask the user to check his permission to make sure that you have the right to actually view his calendar, edit his calendar, or view more details of his calendar. So my name is Kelvin Johnson. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. And please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or just give me a thumb for taking my time to create this video. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.